sit and watch Bitcoin do absolutely nothing for hours. Dead. Flat. So you close the app, you go to sleep, and you wake up to a massive move you completely missed. That is not random. Bitcoin trades 24 hours a day, but it does not move evenly across those hours. The real moves happen inside specific windows of time. Smart money calls them kill zones, and once you can see them, the chart stops feeling random. I'm the order flow sensei, and these are the exact time windows I hunt on Bitcoin with my own real money. Let me show you what a kill zone is, why it exists, and how to stop getting caught on the wrong side of it. So what is a kill zone? A kill zone is a high-volume window of the trading day where institutions are most active. Even though crypto never closes, the big players still run on traditional market hours because that is when the most money and the most liquidity move through the system. Outside those windows, volume dries up and price just chops sideways, hunting small stops. Inside those windows, the real trend for the day usually gets set. Why does this keep happening? Because liquidity is everything to a large trader. If you need to move millions of dollars of Bitcoin, you cannot do it in the dead hours. You would move the price against yourself. You wait for the window when everyone else is active, when there are enough orders on the other side to fill your position. That is why volume clusters at the same times every single day. The moves are not spread out, they are concentrated. There are 3 sessions you need to know. First, Asia. The Asian session is usually quiet. It builds a tight range while most of the West is asleep. Think of it as the setup. Second, London. The London Open is the first big kill zone, around 2 to 5 a.m. New York time. London loves to do one thing. It takes the Asian range, spikes through one side of it to grab the stops, and then reverses. That is the manipulation. Third, New York. The New York Open, around 7 to 10 a.m. New York time, is the second kill zone, and it usually delivers the real move, the one that holds for the day. How do you identify them on your own chart? 2 steps. 1. Convert these times to your own time zone, because a kill zone at 3 a.m. for me is not 3 a.m. for you. 2. Drop vertical lines or a session tool on your chart at the London Open and the New York Open. Then mark the high and the low of the Asian range. Those 2 levels are your liquidity. The kill zone is when they get hunted. So how do you actually trade this? You stop trading the dead hours. That alone saves most beginners. Then you wait for the kill zone, the classic play. The Asian range forms. London opens and sweeps one side of that range, grabbing the stops, and then snaps back inside. That sweep and reclaim is your signal. You enter on the reversal. You put your stop just beyond the wick that did the sweeping, and you target the opposite side of the range. New York then tends to push it the rest of the way. Let me show you a Bitcoin example. Overnight, Bitcoin builds a quiet, tight range in the Asian session. Nothing to do, so most people force a trade and lose. Then London opens. Price spikes down, pokes below the Asian low, runs every stop resting under it, and immediately reverses back up. That was the trap. The traders who shorted the breakdown are now trapped, and their stops above become the fuel. New York opens and drives it higher into the opposite liquidity. One clean move, set inside the kill zone, while the dead hours gave you nothing. Now the most common mistake, trading outside the kill zones. The Asian session chop looks like opportunity, but it is mostly noise designed to bleed your account with tiny stop-outs. The second mistake is forgetting your time zone, so you show up an hour late and chase a move that already happened. Patience inside the window beats activity outside of it every time. Quick recap. Bitcoin moves in time, not just in price. The kill zones are the London Open and the New York Open. Asia sets the range, London sweeps it, New York delivers the move. Mark the sessions, mark the Asian range, and only hunt inside the window. Trade the kill zone, skip the dead hours. If this made the chart make a little more sense, subscribe because I break down one Bitcoin trap like this every single day, and I trade these setups live with my own real money. The link to where I trade is in the description. Stay patient, stay dangerous. Sensei, out.